Okay, you are ready for this truth. We are all ready for this truth. Automation that you bought makes scenario and innate solutions, agents that some agency built for you or you build it by your own. That is not a system that you can rely on. It's a prototype. And now it slightly and quietly break your team. Let me explain you once and save you tons of money and reputation. Watch the pattern. Some sells you automation. Some people bought automation, some people did by their own. What they usually do, they go and saying out loud, I fire that amount of people, thinking that they save money by that. And for a few weeks it works. But then it starts breaking on the edge cases. The weird customer, the unusual order, wrong information. One company mistakenly put in the granted documentation a couple of millions by mistake, by AI mistake. All AI have hallucinations, we know that. So you're faced with the things that nobody scripted for. And moreover, you lose your workers, your reputation. You lose money. If you don't develop RAG system good from the very beginning, it's become a mess. And that is the part that those vendors who post happy posts about they fire some people face with but never mention. Damage isn't software. It's time, money of the business, and people lost. Because what actually entrepreneurs usually do, they told the team, AI is the future, we paid for it, just use it. So they use it. And within days, they see that they cannot actually trust it. Every output they have to finish by their own hands because it will be faster and easier. And they don't even know how to finish it. So they do one of two things. They sabotage it quietly, or they go back doing it manually, telling that it's faster with my own hands. To be honest, 70% of my job as a project manager is non-technical. It's psychological. We walk into the companies and we trying to prevent or to remove the trauma a bad rollout left behind. Showing people that no, it can work. Here is how. Let me adapt it to you. Because a tool that nobody trusts is worse than no tool at all. So why does it keep happening? Two reasons. The process that you already automated was probably already broken. I have looked into different multiple companies at every level, and most of them run on the duct tape and a good luck. Automate a broken process and you will just get a faster, more expensive broken process. And second, at the end of any automation, there is still a person who have to use it. And here what we know about humans. People will choose a familiar, painful process over new, better one every time until the new one is genuinely reliable. Now here is a frame that can change everything for you. There is a saying, to build a castle, you have tear down the barn. Forget it. You don't tear down. The barn is your cash flow right now. You don't burn the business that paying the bills to chase AI fantasy. Instead, do this. First of all, rely on the processes that you already have, not the dream processes. The real processes that your team runs today. When the people see that AI doing their processes, they stop fighting and they start to improving it. That's where integration actually sticks. Step number 2, gather your champions. If you can't hire specifically person, hire freelance team as ours, but don't roll this out to everyone at once. Find the 2 or 3 people who hold the most knowledge and have the most energy. Build with them first. They will become a foundation, a base, and they become a translators for everyone else in your team. Like big corporation hire departments specifically for that, you can do it locally in any type of business. Startups, small, medium enterprises, and of course corporation already do it. Turn the prototype into the reliable skill. This is the whole game. You take one task, you assign to a real human with expertise to run it and to give you a feedback. This is good, this is wrong, do it that way. 9 times it works, on 10th it's failed. You stop and you fix that one. You polish a single step and piece until it's solid. Then you move to the next. And here is why passion is matter. An AI native company isn't one big automation. It's a chain of small, reliable skills. It integrates slowly. You have got 10 steps in a row and each one is fails 10% of time, you will never reach the end. The errors compound. But if each piece is genuinely reliable, the whole chain carries you into the future. Reliability is not nice to have. It's the entire difference between demo and business. So if your automation is disappointing right now, you were not lie about AI. You were sold a prototype and told that was a product. To fix it is not to get more tools or ready-to-go tools. Our goal for business is to adapt AI possibilities specifically for your needs. There is no unique tool which can learn your context that much so you can easily use it without any problems. So keep the barn running, replicate real processes, build with your champions, and grind one skill to reliability before you touch the next. If that is kind of straight talk you want on building reliable, stable business, no hype, what is just works, subscribe on me or text me personally. Let's review your case and how we can enhance it.